In this video, we'll study about galactose metabolism in our body. So, as we all know, galactose is a part of lactose, right? Lactose is made up of two monosaccharides, which is glucose and galactose. And also, as we discussed already, so lactose is absorbed by an enzyme in our body called as lactase, right? So, coming to the metabolism, we all know the lactose breaks down to form glucose as well as galactose. So, the presence of enzyme called as lactase, right? So, this galactose usually undergoes a process and it forms galactose 1 phosphate with the help of an enzyme galactokinase, right? And this galactose 1 phosphate is converted into glucose 1 phosphate with the help of enzyme galactose 1 phosphate uridyl transferase. This is also called as GALT, and also there is a requirement of one more enzyme which is called as UDP galactose, so which acts as a catalyzing agent. Right, so this glucose 1 phosphate is in turn converted into glucose 6 phosphate with the help of enzyme called as phosphoglucomutase. Apart from this galactose can also be converted into galactylol in the presence of an enzyme called as aldose reductase. Also here ATP is used and ATP is converted into ADP, the formation of galactose 1 phosphate. So this is all about the metabolism of galactose in our body. Coming to the clinical significance, so from this we can determine that the deficiency of enzyme lactase, right? So this lactase deficiency can cause lactose intolerance. So this lactose intolerance can be primary and secondary. In primary cases it's always congenital, and in secondary cases it's acquired. So when the patient or when the baby has lactase deficiency, all of the lactose is trapped in the cell and it can't be metabolized, right? So it can't be metabolized into galactose, so because of which the lactose is trapped in the cell and the baby has lactose intolerance, right? And coming to the next clinical significance, if the patient or the baby has galactokinase deficiency, so if the patient is deficient with galactokinase, what happens is the galactose can't be metabolized to galactose 1 phosphate, right? So what happens is, because of which it causes it moves through another pathway where the galactose is converted into galactylol. So galactylol is a really harmful substance, so because of which it causes infantile cataract. So this galactylol gets accumulated in our eyes causing cataract. So galactose kinase deficiency can cause infantile cataract. And coming to the third clinical significance, the deficiency of GALT can cause classic galactosemia. So because of which too much of galactose 1 phosphate and galactose get accumulated in the cells, so it causes classic galactosemia. So this is all about the metabolism of galactose in our body. I hope you guys are clear. Thank you for watching.